Welcome to the Cardinal Minute with your host and chair of the University of Louisville Department of Medicine, Dr. Kim Williams.
Hello, and welcome to the Cardinal Minute. This is the Department of Medicine at the University of Louisville, and we're kicking off our 2025-26 academic year with the first grand rounds of the year. So I'd like to introduce Dr. Kim Allen Williams, chair of the department, who gave us an update today on both our department's State of the Union as well as a nutrition update. So Dr. Williams, can you share what you'd like the people to know about today's grand rounds?
Well, thank you, Dr. Koch. Really appreciate all your efforts as vice chair. And that was actually the summary of the state of the department. It's a lot of time thanking people for all the accomplishments that we've had over the years. We've actually had a fantastic year in terms of increasing our coverage of education around the world, particularly through ViewMedi. And so really appreciate all of the leadership and all the folks who are working hard on education, clinical research, basic research, as well as our administrative responsibilities. On the academic side, we talked about nutrition and the cardiovascular data that if we were to do more with to improve our nutrition, our dietary habits in this country, we could have dramatic reductions in the amount of healthcare costs, which are at toxic levels, as well as disease states and human suffering, as well as mortality. And so we talked very specifically about all of the publications in the last 3 years since the last time I talked about plant-based nutrition. And really, there's very insightful data that has occurred and been published, really talking about how we all need to change our lifestyles. It's not just the patients, it's the physicians as well. We're going to keep working on it, and if we can pay attention to nutrition, exercise, sleep, getting all the things that make us live longer and be able to not just adopt them, but counsel our patients to do so, we're all going to be better off.
Thank you so much, and thanks for joining us. Join us next time on the Cardinal Minute.